How's it, Aloha gang? We're back at City Mill. We're hanging out with Iris, and today we've got gardening hacks, okay? These are gonna come in handy when you need them. Where we start?
Yeah, we're starting in your kitchen. A lot of people don't know that stuff in your kitchen can be used to help outside in your garden too. And we're gonna take some few household chemicals that everybody should have in here and show you how you can take care of your plant.
All right, so what are we looking at here? We've got baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap,
Dish
right?
soap,
All
yeah.
of these things are actually gonna do different
things, yes. So what we use the dish soap for is you can use it to spray on your plants. You know, the dreaded whitefly and aphid thing. It kills plants and dreams. They're dream killers. So what you want to do is make sure you spray your plants so that they can't get a hold of it. The dish soap actually makes it slick so they don't actually can lock on.
So the bugs don't like the dish soap?
They don't like the dish soap. From what I understand, you can use some chili pepper water too.
Chili pepper water?
Chili pepper water.
That's a local gardening.
Yeah, local gardening, yeah. The heat also keeps the aphids away. And you use this dish soap to actually keep it on the plant. And so what you want to do is make sure you spray all the leaves. And a lot of people forget to spray underneath the leaves because that's actually where aphids like to go, is underneath the leaves.
Okay, so dish soap and water, that's gardening hack number one. What else do we got?
Chili pepper dishwater.
Chili pepper water.
Chili pepper water, dish soap, and water. That's the second hack. That'll definitely keep the aphids
I
off.
love that. In Trader Joe's, no more chili pepper water.
No, you can make your own.
That's Hawaii gardening only.
The next thing is baking soda.
Okay.
Okay, you would do the same thing like you would do with the soap, except don't use the soap, just put baking soda in there. And you put it with 3 parts water, 1 part baking soda, and you want to spray the plant. It is a natural fungicide. It'll keep a lot of the plants, especially tomato plants, from getting fungus.
Okay, so these would be good on maybe some of the veggies that you got growing. Baking soda is going to be better for that?
Yeah, okay. It's not a bug repellent, it's for fungicide.
Gotcha.
Okay? The next thing is vinegar. Everybody knows about vinegar. Vinegar does a lot of different things. You can use vinegar straight, 100% vinegar, on weeds. You spray it right on the weed and you kill the weeds right away.
That's a weed killer on its own, right?
It's a weed killer. Yeah, so a lot of people water it down because they don't like the smell. Obviously, you don't want your whole yard smelling like vinegar. And then you can spray it around. It won't kill the plants that are next to it. It kills the plants that you are spraying directly on it.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. So any number of these different combinations will work, including the chili pepper that we mentioned.
Including the chili pepper.
Newspaper. What's up with the newspaper?
Okay, the last one is you want to do mulch. Mulch and wheat cloth usually help keep weeds from sprouting out on ground. So what you want to do is take strips of paper.
Let me help you here.
Yes, strips of paper. Put it around your plant like this. And then you want to put mulch on top of that.
Okay, so what is this combination going to do?
It keeps weeds from taking root around your plant.
Gotcha.
So it's a natural weed cloth. Newspaper is compostable, so you don't have to worry about it hurting your soil. Because the big thing about gardening, especially if you're doing straight into the soil, is to try to keep your soil as healthy as possible. They should last a fairly long time.
Wow, I love that. And every single thing we've mentioned over here on the table are things guaranteed people have at home.
Absolutely.
Okay, so multiple uses for these different things. If people have more questions about gardening tips, better ways to take care of the gardens, what's the best way?
You can visit us at any of our 8 City Mill locations or visit us on citymill.com.